Agency limit and risk status. How to set and control these. Those hotel properties that want to set and establish specific rules for city ledger control should use the Accounting-related tab found under the Agency card. Here, the City Ledger Active button found under the Credit Limit Control segment should be ticked. Under the related fields, we may define the City Ledger limit, total risk limit, as well as overdue risk limit. Based on the values that we enter in the related fields, we will automatically activate the generation of agency limit and risk reports. These reports can be found under Accounting Reports and Agency Limit Control List. From here, we can keep track of City Ledger amounts and total room balances for the current in-house or yet to be realized reservations. Moreover, from the same screen, we can also see risk-related values under the related column, which allow us to conduct risk analysis for the specific agency user. Lastly, from the Agency field, we can select the desired agency and filter limit and risk information for it.